So we're presented with an equation, y equals x minus 3. And we're provided the suggested values here for x, -1, 0, 1, and 2. So what we need to do in order to calculate what our y value is we simply take this x value, -1 for the first one, and substitute it for x. When we do that, we're left with a value of -4 for y. So our first coordinate is -1, -4. We plot that here. We take our next x value, 0, plug it into our equation, which will give us a value of -3 for y. So our next coordinate is 0, -3. We'll do the same with 1. Plug it into the equation, substituting 1 for x gives us a value of -2 for y. So we have a third coordinate, 1, -2. And then finally we take that 2, substitute it into the equation, and we're left with a value of -1 for y. So our last coordinate is 2, -1. And we take those values, we plot them onto our Cartesian plane, connect them with a line, and there's our sketch for the graph. Our next question gives us the equation y equals 2x minus 4. Once again, these are the x values that we're asked to use. We simply plug them into the equation one at a time to give us a value for y. If x is -1, y ends up being -6. Plug 0 into the equation, gives us a y value of -4. Plugging 1 into the equation gives us a y value of -2. And plugging 2 into the equation gives us a y value of 0. We have 4 points that we can plot on the graph, connect them with a line, and our sketch ends up looking like this. Our next equation that we're given, y equals -x plus 4. Once again, for each one of the x values, we simply plug them into the equation to get our y value. Leaving us with the following coordinates. Take those 4 points, or pairs of coordinates, plot them on the Cartesian graph, connect them with a line with labels, and there's our sketch. Our next equation, y equals 3x minus 1. Once again, we plug in the given x values, end up with a series of y values. Take those 4 points, plot them on the Cartesian graph, draw a line connecting the dots or the points, label them, and there's what our sketch should look like. a slightly more complex equation, y equals 1/2 x plus 2. The idea is the same. We simply take whatever x value we're given, we plug it into the equation, and it gives us a y value. Once we have our points, we can plot them on the plane, connect them with a line, label them for our final sketch.